Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see what gold, silver and silver mining stock have been doing over the last few weeks. So it we have talked about this. So silver and gold actually turn around. Let's see, check the gold prices first. So here I'm showing the charts of gold price chart in US dollar since basically it's a 5 year chart, and I'm showing the price since March 2020. So comparing the prices since March 20, 2020. Okay, so we can see here that it's during the COVID-19 it reached the gold reached its lowest price. Okay, and then since that point we can see that it has gained like uh, around 33 percent. Okay, so it closed last week. It closed at $1,980, close to $1,981, and it is still looking strong. Okay, so gold overall, since this recent lows on, I would say since in last year October, which was in around October 17, end of October, it has gained about 23%. Okay, and the lowest value it gold hit on October 2022 was $1,616. Okay, so currently it's like 23% higher. Okay, let's take a look at silver. Silver was at its lowest point in March 2020, and it was trading around the lowest it hit was $11.6. So from that point, from $11.6, it was up by it went to a high of $29. So it's like showing 124%. Okay, it gained like 124%. Okay, during that the bull run that ended on August. It ended in August 2020. Okay, and it's still today, last week, silver closed at $23.3, and from that point it is still like 78% higher since since the lows during COVID-19. It's higher by 78%, and from its lows of October, from its lows of August 2022, is like 38% higher. Okay, so silver and gold both are looking strong, but I am seeing a lot of excitement in the silver mining sector. Okay, so the stocks, are actually a lot of stocks, and I have been talking about this in my videos a lot, that when silver starts its bull run, the stocks will be going much higher compared to the price of silver, because silver mining stocks are highly leveraged to the price of silver. So this kind of gain in silver, if it is 100%, let's say if it goes by 100% higher, it gains 100%, then I would expect silver mining stocks to go maybe 5 times, 10 times, depending on the company. And I am seeing clear proof of it. I have talked about before the company that I have been following, and I also own the stocks of this company, which is called Decade Resources. So when you look at I'm showing the chart of Decade Resources since March 2020. So since March 2020, during that bull run, it went up from 0.75 to uh, 0.75 to it reached to a high of 68 cents, and this company is heavily involved into exploration. Okay, and after that it just kept going down. It had like big bumps towards this when the silver price was going down, and since that high of 68 cents, now it recently hit its lowest price, was like 0.65, yeah, 0.65, so like 6.5 cents in September 2022. So I have been having like this I have this stocks since even before that. So I bought at different prices, but I started seeing this jump in the price, and this company started showing its result. And but actually there were not many companies who were like who started publishing their results, drilling results. But this one was published its result in started publishing its results in August 2023, and the stocks went up from like the low of 7 cents to the in a matter of like a week it went up to 26.5 cents, which is like I would yeah, like about 200 percent gain in the price. Okay, so from 6 cent it went to from 7 cent it went to 26.5 cents. Okay, yeah, it's showing like 200% gain from from the lowest price. Okay, and then it started the price started it started correcting. The stock went through correction, and now it seems like it has started going up again after silver has confirmed its up trend. So it started going up again. And this is not the only stock. This Decade Resources is not the only stock. There are several other stocks that I have seen, especially the last week. A lot of stocks had very high volume and very big jumps in the prices. So another example of the stocks of silver mining stock is this Hercules Silver Corp, and it has made such a huge progress since that time back. Yeah, so this company actually was went public in somewhere around November 2019, and yeah, and I started noticing this company in like late October 2022. So in late October 2020, around October 2022, the price was 5.5 cents, and look at this price now. It's now it went to has gone to highest, like 63 cents in a year. So from 6 cent to 63 cent is like 10 times of its actual price. And this is a company that is involved in silver mining, and they have a great project, copper project in Idaho, USA. And they have published very good results, and this you can see the prices. It's like already 10 times higher, while silver is just I would say here, while silver is just like six from its low, I would say 38% high. Yeah, because here it's like 20%, and there this point from the beginning, from this point. So it's like the difference, I would say. I'm not showing the price in in prices in in showing. I'm seeing the percentage prices right now. So it's like 38% higher since its lows in 2022 August, which was around August 29. Okay, so it's like 38% higher. Okay, that's the thing, if you find a good company, if you are invested in a good company, this is going to happen, and this is a that's the example, living example of how silver mining stocks will do when silver is in a bullish trend. And this kind of trend, you see, I have seen this before in 2016 bull run, during 2020 bull run, and also in the 2008 bull run. This happens. So when silver mining companies really go crazy, they but yeah, you have to be very careful and in choosing a company. But when this happens, the bull run starts, actual is confirmed. When the bull run is confirmed, um, even the companies which have just the name silver attached to them, and they are not actually actively involved, and not very good companies, they will also go, they will also benefit from the move in upward movement in the silver prices. But these are actually really good companies. But anyway, I'm not just doing this as a like doing any like promotion or recommending these stocks. I just like these companies and I hold the companies. This one, Hercules, that was my like a recent addition to my portfolio, but it's doing really great. Okay, and then last week, there are several other companies have showing up, have shown very great progress. Is one of them, decade resources that I already talked about before. So this one is doing good, and I think that is once it has started, it will keep going up. Okay, and we could see it reaching to its previous highs, because this company is also actively involved in exploration. Okay, another company that is that I have is Santa Cruz Silver Mining, and this is actually real actual producer. So recently they have, I saw their news, they have published like they have produced like 5 million ounces of silver, yeah, during the, like I think in the second quarter. They are like a they produce a lot of silver. Okay, and but also, this company was also down during this whole when the silver was down. But anyway, now it seems like this fund has started also started picking up. Okay, so there are several companies. Okay, so what I'm trying to say in my posts, in my videos before, I published companies which are trading under 5 cents, and I also I'm going to there are many other companies which are still under trading under 10 cents, but those companies are still not as active as these the one that are actually heavily involved in exploration. But I believe that their time will also come soon. Okay, and they will also start trading much higher than their current prices. Okay, so these are the three that I have shown you. And one of the companies that I mentioned in that stock, that video before, which was like 5 stocks under 5 cents, that was Rio Silver. That's also very low currently, but if you see their price chart in March, so you will see here in March 2020, the price was like 1 cent, and it went to a high of like 11 cent in February 2021, and then again it went down to 1.5 cents, and now it's trading at 3 cent. And I have talked about this company before, that they have a good like they have insiders are holding the shares of this company, and also they have a good project, but it's all just a matter of that when market and retail investors start appreciating companies, silver mining companies, because it's not just one company. The whole sector was down. Even the companies that were good, even the companies that were good, for example, this one was a very good company that I have been following, this Abra Silver Resource Corp. And you can see in 2020, it started from 6 cents, and it went to as high as 82 cent. This is Abra Silver Resource Corp. Okay, so this was just the run from 20 March 22, May 2021. And then this is a very good company actually. But then because silver was down, even the good companies went down. Okay, so it was trading around like like this one, um 26, I don't know, I think, yeah, it was like 21. Yeah, it was like 21 cent was the lowest in July, this last year. And yeah, currently this one is 29 cent. Okay, so that's the story. And then when you go back to the I don't know if I cannot see the highest price, but yeah, so this is how this company was trading, has been trading. So I hope that it will this company and all other companies will see huge appreciation in their prices. When you see this here, it went from 6 cent to 80 cent, which is like 1500%, which is like yeah, like 15x, 15 or 16x of their prices in 6 months. So that's the thing, that if you find a good company, this is what happens. And it's you just have to keep looking for a good company. And yeah, I mean, a lot of people just try to go in and out of the shares. Depends on the skill of the person, but usually people who don't have much expertise, I think, is better that if they are able to get shares at the very low prices and just keep them for long term, still they will be benefiting from this. But people who are expert in trading, they use this opportunity, this volatility, to do like swing trading. They will go in and out based on the technicals. But anyway, there are different types of traders, investors and traders. So um, for long term investors also, there is opportunity. There are lots of actually opportunities to buy silver. Okay, silver, at the discounted price, by being by buying shares of companies that are exploring silver. Okay, they are that are producing silver, or yeah, engaged in exploration. So that's my take. And I'm really excited about the like the movement in the silver prices. But yeah, anyway, but I hope that everywhere in the world, the things, the political situations get better. And but this is the things, the changes in the price of silver and gold, I think, is not just because of the, like, not, I would, that's one of the factor that it started going up. Gold started going up since October 6th. But other than that, the thing is that which I keep hearing from experts, that is not just because the price of gold and silver will go up when people lose confidence in the fiat system, in the paper money. So they will eventually uh, start the interest in these sectors, in silver and gold sector increases. Yeah, they will eventually move to these sectors as a, because gold and silver offers a safe haven, are like a safe haven investment, and like a way, or a way to preserve your wealth. So that's what people choose, because paper money is continuously losing its value, and that's the main reason. Okay, even though when you see in the market the prices of gold and silver are still much lower than they should be, actually lower than their fair market fair value. Okay, they are being suppressed because of the paper unlimited supply of paper contracts. But what people believe, what experts believe, that this is eventually going to end. Okay, and both gold and silver will reach their fair value. Okay,